What's going on, everyone? Sebastian here from Crypto News. Today I'm going to show you a play to earn game that is becoming a really hot topic in the crypto gaming community because it's super simple to get started and it doesn't require any initial investment. So if playing games and making money at the same time are your thing, then stick with me to the end of this video because I promise this is one you're not going to want to miss. Now, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, then hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bells. That way, as I release another one of these hot videos, you'll get notified. Now, I am not a financial advisor, folks, so please always do your own research anytime you're investing in cryptocurrency. This video is strictly for educational purposes only. The NFT game trend doesn't look like it's ending soon, seeing that many new developers are still building dApps where one can make money while playing fun games. And the interesting part is that the games are still utilizing exciting concepts. SKYWEAVER is one of such new games following in the steps of Axie Infinity and Decentraland and offering gamers crypto assets such as non-fungible tokens for playing games. And you don't even need an initial investment to get started on this one. Given that SKYWEAVER game isn't complicated, anyone can play regardless of their skill level. However, you'll need to win rounds to earn rewards. If you're interested in learning about SKYWEAVER, how to play earn works on the platform, and how you can sell the assets you receive, then stay with me. Now, first let's talk about what is SKYWEAVER. SKYWEAVER is a web-based free-to-play card game that combines trading card principles and strategy gameplay with the benefits of non-fungible token technology. The blockchain game uses a player versus player game mode, which may be accessed at any time via an internet browser or mobile device. The game is set up in a way that you may earn collectible cards, which you can add to your armory or sell on marketplaces like OpenSea to earn money. The game has a low skill floor, which means that it is designed to be accessible and playable by a wide range of players. All of its components are simple to comprehend and newbies might benefit from tutorials on the page. Regardless of previous experience with trading card games, the development team believes that users will love SKYWEAVER. In SKYWEAVER, you are required to build a deck using the best cards listed as NFT assets. Your cards will later be pitted against other players' cards in real time. Keep in mind that each card has a unique rarity and state that impacts attack damage. You need to use the finest strategy to organize your cards in order to defeat the enemy and earn tokens and NFTs. Let's quickly note that there are two game types, Discovery and Constructed. Discovery allows you to experiment with different heroes and deck builds through a randomized deck of cards provided in each gameplay. As soon as you get on board, you can choose a hero and up to 2 prisms for that hero to generate a deck. There are 5 prisms available and they simply showcase a particular play style. They include strength, wisdom, heart, agility, and intellect. On the other hand, Constructed game type allows you to customize a deck according to your own play style. You earn cards to customize your deck by playing the game or buying them. There are 3 levels of NFT cards in the game: Basic Card, Silver Card, and Gold Card. Basic cards are non-tradable cards tied to your SKYWEAVER account and obtained through level upgrades. Players will unlock basic cards by completing matches, accumulating XP, and leveling up. SKYWEAVER will have 500 cards to unlock when it launches, and you can utilize these basic cards to build a deck that suits your play style. Everyone can play SKYWEAVER, build decks, and participate in competitions because all basic cards can be unlocked for free. The Silver Card is a variant of the basic card that can be traded. You can sell, trade, give away, collect, and utilize silver cards in any way you like. It differs from the basic card in a number of ways. Firstly, the Silver Card has a gleaming silver frame, which differs from the purple basic card's frame. Secondly, silver cards can be obtained by ranking first on the leaderboard each week, compared to basic cards, which you get for just leveling up. Again, one silver card can be exchanged for one Conquest ticket. We'll talk about the Conquest mode later, but you can trade basic cards for anything. Note that if you have earned enough cards through battles on SKYWEAVER, you can can use them to create custom decks. Alternatively, you can purchase cards from other players. The gold card is a trophy form of the cards created that you can obtain by winning all 3 games in the Conquest, which is a tournament-style competitive game mode. You can also purchase them on the market or trade them among friends. The gold card is marketable and acts similarly to the silver card, but with a gold frame and a limited supply. Since these gold cards are trophy cards, they are very rare and will not be as popular as silver cards in the market. Note that the silver and gold cards have no game advantages compared to the basic card. The appearance, tradability, supply, and how they are made and obtained are the key differences across card tiers. We've already mentioned heroes and cards, but mana and card types are also important aspects of the game. On SKYWEAVER, mana is the resource needed to play cards. You gain 1 additional mana per turn and have all of your mana refilled at the beginning of each turn. Each turn allows you to play cards that serve a variety of purposes, either against your opponent or to help your hero. It costs mana to launch any particular card, and the amount of mana varies depending on the card. There are 3 kinds of cards in the game: spell cards, unit cards, and magic cards. A spell card gives units or heroes a one-time effect, and you can use it to attack your opponent or improve your character. Unit cards let you attack your opponent. Some units are equipped with spells. They can also cost mana, but they are cast in the same way as spells are cast from a player's hand. The spell is lost if the unit that is holding them is defeated. These 2 cards are more prevalent in the game. However, magic cards are a unique type of card because they can only be found attached to units or heroes and have an impact on their casted units or heroes. For instance, magic imprisonment stops the casted unit's magical features from attacking, whereas magic shields defend the magic unit from harm. Your heroes have 32 health when you and your opponent start the game. If your hero's health drops to 0 during combat, you lose, and if your opponent's health reduces to 0, you win. Now let's talk about how play to earn works on SKYWEAVER. To obtain tradable NFT cards in SKYWEAVER, you must win weekly ranked rewards or Conquest game modes. You can then sell your card rewards to other players for money. Since SKYWEAVER is a strategic game, the player who can climb to the top of the leaderboard will be rewarded the most. There is a season at the end of every week, and players can compete to get tradable cards. Also, SKYWEAVER offers participants another mode competition known as the Conquest. So here's how Conquest works. You enter the mode with only 1 life, and you will be eliminated from the game if you lose. But you will receive a tradable silver medal if you win once or twice. If you win all 3 times, you'll receive a rare and tradable gold card, which you can sell or use in your next battle. The SKYWEAVER market is a peer-to-peer marketplace where users can directly trade and purchase cards in the game. You can buy silver and gold cards from other players directly there. Furthermore, if you obtain card rewards in the game, you will be able to sell them there. It is an open, player-driven market, which means the players themselves set the price of cards. So how do you join SKYWEAVER? To play this NFT game, you must register and create an account first. For registration, simply visit the official SKYWEAVER website, click on the Play Now button, and select the New Account option. Select an account to register and you are set to start playing. You can start playing with your friends in private matches or practice with bots in practice modes. Tutorial modes are also available, which teach you how to play various games and strategies. You'll find any other detail you need there. Overall, SKYWEAVER has engaging gameplay and benefits that you as a player can take advantage of. There's nothing to lose since you don't need an initial investment to get started. Check out their official website and start playing. Well, there you have it, folks. SKYWEAVER is becoming a really popular play to earn game in the entire crypto ecosystem. Now, if there are any other play to earn games that you're doing right now that you think are really hot, then drop a comment below and share your thoughts on what those games are. And of course, if you did find this video resourceful, please smash that like button, folks. Well, till next time, I'll see you all on the next video.